We are all building something, a future, a legacy, a kingdom. But look at your hands. Are you the master or the tool?
You bought the comfort. You polished the chains. You even called it freedom.
Welcome to the real cost. It's not paid in money. Let's open the ledger.
It starts small. A promotion, a bigger paycheck, a better zip code. You think you are finally winning the game, but the game is just shifting gears. Suddenly, your old car feels out of place. Your modest apartment feels too small. You upgrade, not because you need to, but because your new status demands it. Now, the corporate ladder isn't just a path, it becomes your entire horizon. The golden handcuffs don't lock with a snap. They tighten with every single signature on a new contract. You are trapped. Not by failure, but by the very comfort you worked so hard to buy. A luxury apartment high above the city sounds like a dream. Until you realize it's just a bigger cage. The expensive watch on your wrist doesn't just tell the time. It counts the hours you sold to afford it. You surround yourself with the finest things, trying to fill a silence that grows louder every night. You are earning millions, yes, but your lifestyle is spending it just as fast to keep up appearances. You think you own the high-rise view, the glowing screens, and the automated life. But look closer. Every luxury around you is an invisible anchor, keeping you chained to a desk you claim to hate. The golden cage doesn't feel like a prison because it's filled with everything you ever wished for. But a cage lined with gold and neon is still a cage, and the door is locked from the inside. You think you can quit whenever you want. You tell yourself, just one more bonus, just one more year. But the finish line keeps moving. The cost of your freedom keeps going up with every upgrade. You are no longer working for the wealth. You are working to maintain the illusion of it. Look at your life. Look at the comfort. Now ask yourself, did you buy the lifestyle or did it buy you? The ledger is always open, but some costs can never be repaid. Sleep well.